Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video. I recently got a new mattress and it's kind of firm and my back hurts when I get up, so I wanted to get a mattress topper. I was looking around trying to find the cheapest one. Don't go the cheap route. They have some at Walmart for like $20 or something like that. The reviews are horrible for it. Horrible. They said it worked at like for the first couple days, but then yeah, no. So then I wanted to get a what's it called? A pillow top one. But I ain't have that kind of money. So today at Walmart I found a mattress topper memory foam, a 3-inch memory foam mattress topper infused with graphite. It's called allswellhome.com. And I looked at the reviews, you guys. The reviews had basically all 5 stars. The only bad reviews that I saw was that I guess the people, they ordered it from Walmart.com, and when it got shipped to their house, they said it was ripped or something like that. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't complain about that. I mean, I guess I would. Depends on how big the rip was. But they said that it was a rip in there. So I picked mine up from Inside Store. So we're going to see how this looks and how this goes and how this feels. Lord knows I need a great night's sleep. So, this bad boy up. I have a queen size bed. So, oh my gosh. So this is how it comes. This is how it comes. It's kind of heavy. And let's see. Ow! Oh. Oh, big devil. Right. Okay. So it is tightly wrapped up in. Sheesh. It doesn't even cover the whole bed. Well, maybe it has to expand first. I didn't read directions on it. I just wanted to open it and get it on the bed. So, this is the queen size. This is my bed. It's brand new. It's just a queen size. But it doesn't even go all the way to the top. So, I guess it has to expand some more. I'm about to have game night at my house. It's currently 8:27. I just got off of work. But, yeah, I'm about to have game night. So I'm going to let this expand for a couple hours while we play games. And we'll see how this goes. It looks like it's already did something here. You guys, like, look at that indentation. Oh, I know y'all seen it. Yeah, this was the box. Let's see. This box is huge. Oh, that made me dirty. Got this stuff all over. What? It's like snow. Anyways, so yeah, guys. It was $109, and yeah. So we're gonna see if it's worth $109 because I'm cheap. I don't like to spend that much money. But if it's gonna help me sleep at night, all for it. It's a no-brainer. Thanks for watching.